Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one, and then navigate to Fix and Manage. Here we're gonna select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on our SIM card. For me, that's not a very big amount, but you can also see that in my case, most of them are grayed out with only one contact being selected by default. Hopefully in your case, it's probably a little bit different. Now I can select these contacts because these contacts already exist on the default location where the device will be storing them at, which is my Google account. But if I were to change it, because we can change the location where the contacts get imported to by tapping on a text right here, Save To, you can see we have also option like device. Now, if you have multiple Google accounts, that will also be a choice for you in this drop-down menu, but I only have one, which only gives me the option of a device or Google account. Now, once I select Google, the device, it allows me to have all the contacts imported because none of them exist on this device. So the phone was just simply stopping me from importing duplicate contacts. In any case, here you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, click on Import option. This will give you a message how many contacts have been imported. I'm going to keep that off. And now when we go back to our contacts, it will still be showing contacts from our Google account, which you can see right here based on this T for some reason, and also the display that is showing right here that it's pulling contacts from the account. But we can click on this icon right over here and change it to display contacts from device. Or if you have imported them to a different Google account, you could obviously select that Google account and it would show contacts from said account. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.